Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. And today's episode we're going to talk about something I have a ton of and maybe you do too, and that is buttons. This whole container is full of buttons. I've gotten buttons at garage sales. I've gotten buttons from friends. There were several in this box that came from friends. I've bought them online. I've even purchased them at Dollar Tree. And after all that, I have this huge container full of buttons. And so in today's video, we are going to be crafting with buttons. Let's get started. All right, so I'm going to take some fabric from my fabric bin here, and I have several sheets that are like fat quarters. So we're going to pick 2 coordinating fat quarters to make a pillow. So we're going to head over to the sewing guru in my life, which is my mom. She has all of her sewing machines set up at her house and they're all ready to go, and she's actually waiting for us. So we're going to head on over there and we're going to get a lesson on how to make a pillow from the sewing guru in my life. Let's head on over and make our pillow.
Let's just do that much. So we'll sew up so much on this end, and then we'll stuff it. When you turn it inside out or right side out, then you're going to have it. It's going to
give us professional corners.
Yeah, let's hope so. Where is it? Is it here? You're still recording. Oh my gosh. See when you turn it.
Oh, then you get the like.
And lots of times I just take a pin and play with it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then it makes it nice and...
You get like a pointy corner.
Mm-hmm. Otherwise... I like this fabric. This is what we got at Walmart.
Mm-hmm.
This came from Walmart.
The fat quarters from Walmart.
Yeah, I like them. What you could do is you could either do with this, you know.
With the seam ripper?
Yeah, you're not going to rip anything. It's just going to bring it out at a better point. So you want it professional. Or you want it to look as pretty. Okay. I like making pillows.
They're not really that hard.
No, they're not. Now, the smartest thing to do is to get them into the corners as firm as you can.
So I'm going to go to this corner.
And if you have to poke it in, perfect.
Okay,
Perfect.
then I go to the next corner.
I would go to the next one down here. Oops, I just showed my finger. Are you going to edit this?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Okay.
I really like the fabric. It's pretty.
I might have some more at home.
I don't know what I'd
And
do
then
with
you can
it.
have a pillow too.
And then you can just fill it everywhere else. My mother would love this fabric. And see, you've already done your corners, so you don't need to worry about the poker.
Okay. Just keep putting it in there.
Yep, just keep filling it up. You want to get it even everywhere. You don't want lopsided.
Okay. There we are.
Okay. Yeah.
It was so fun sewing with my mom today. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know down in the comments. We'll have to do some more segments with crafting with mom, just so that we can get all the knowledge that she has. She's been crafting for years, and it's super fun to spend time with her. So let's go on inside and get our embellishments done on our pillow. Hi friends, I'm just popping in to see if you are feeling the inspiration on crafting with those extra buttons you have at home. And if you are, could you comment the word button down in the comments so I know that you're loving today's video and you're sticking with me so far. Now let's get back to the DIYs. Do you have a book lover in your home, or maybe it's you? I'm the book lover in my house, but I love to collect bookmarks, and this is a super simple one. I picked up this ribbon at Walmart in the Christmas clearance at 90%, and this is a super easy tip. If you go shopping for clearance items after any holiday, I always try to pick up the ones that are going to be used for other holidays. So this looked nothing like Christmas, and I went ahead and picked up several rolls. They were under $1, and I'll be using these throughout the year for regular home decor. But I went ahead and measured my ribbon inside my book, and then I cut a piece where I thought it was going to look good. Now, if you only want to do one piece here for a single bookmark, you can do that too. I thought it would be cute to have it kind of hanging over. I went ahead and dovetailed the ends of my ribbon, and then I used these really cute costume jewelry buttons, and we're going to glue those to the bottom of where we had our dovetail. That is it for this super simple project. This would make a great gift if you're doing a book basket. It adds a very personal touch to a very fun present. Let me know if you're going to try this one out. So button wall art is pretty popular. If you type in on Pinterest just button wall art or button crafts, you will get a ton of inspiration to use buttons in several creative ways. We're going to make this one pretty simple and easy for like a beginner to do, but all we're going to tell you is take our wooden board. I got this at Hobby Lobby, and we're going to use a pencil and we're going to spell out a word. I'm going to spell out the word spring. Once I have my word spelled out, I'm going to take some buttons. Now I have these really cute pastel ones. I'm going to use some tweezers, and I'm just going to take the tweezers and pick up the buttons, adding them to the hot glue. So I'm just going to go around, cut not all at once, but just in certain sections, using my tweezers, adding my buttons. This is a super simple project, and you just want to keep in mind how long your word is, and you don't want it to be super close to each other or you won't be able to understand what it says once you get your buttons down. So I like to pick up my picture frames at Dollar Tree. This is one of those items where I think it's really worth the price. They're $1.25. I like these neutral ones. This comes in a 5x7. They also have square ones. I like those too, depending on the project. But for this project, I picked up a 5x7. So I have these really cute costume jewelry buttons, and this said, like, mom vibes to me all the way, and I've been meaning to give this picture to my mom for some time. So we're going to go ahead in the buttons that I had, and we're going to pick out any of the flat buttons. Then when I have all the flat buttons, I'm going to go back and find the other ones that I really like, and then I need a pair of pliers. So if you're going to go pick up buttons for this project, make sure you pick up flat buttons, and if you can't find flat buttons, you're going to need a good set of pliers so you can bend off or snap off the back where there is a little piece to sew it onto your clothes. Once I have those all snapped off, then I'm just going to use some hot glue, and I'm going to glue it around in the picture frame in a cute style that I like. Once I get it all glued on, I'm going to go ahead, put the glass back into the frame, add my picture, and this one's complete. I love how this turned out. I think my mom's going to love it. Let me know if you're going to give this one a try. we are getting to the time of the season where we're going to start planting some herbs. Maybe you plant them inside, maybe you don't, depending on where you live. I am not much of a green thumb. That is kind of my husband's area to shine, but I thought these would be super cute. I always love to try a kitchen garden. Maybe this year will be the year where I actually get it to grow. But I'm going to go ahead and make these really cute little herb markers is what we're going to call them. And I have these cute little chalkboard marker stakes that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use a paint marker. Mine came from Hobby Lobby. I'll link an option down below for Amazon, but we're just going to draw out the names of our herbs. I'm going to use dill, thyme, and mint, and then I'm going to go ahead and let that dry. Then I picked out some buttons in the neutral tones again, and I'm just going to glue a different color button to each one of these chalkboard signs. I thought it would be really cute to put one in each corner, and then that is it. We're going to add these to our seedling pots, and once I'm ready to pot them in my kitchen, I will add dirt, and then I have these cute little personalized planter markers, and I think this turned out adorable. I have a ledge in my kitchen. I definitely think that's where I'm going to put it. Let me know if you guys are going to try this out this year for your garden. So spring is coming, and all of the spring fun crafting goodies, or even just actually gardening and planting goodies, should be coming out. I like to pick up my terracotta pots at either Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree if you can find them at Dollar Tree. They tend to go fast, and if you're like me, you live in an area where Dollar Tree doesn't always get the most stocked items, but you can find them at Hobby Lobby, and they are a pretty good price there as well. We're going to take just a smaller one, and we're using some neutral toned buttons here. I think this is really cute. I didn't have any succulents on hand, but I think a succulent with these color of buttons would be absolutely adorable. I had some lavender on hand. I like to pick up mine at Walmart. If you can't find it at Walmart, Dollar Tree is the next best option. It's really pretty, and it will decorate for a long time if you take good care of it. So I'm just going to add several sprigs into my cute little terracotta pot, and that is it for this one. Super cute idea. You could put this in a tier tray. You can put it on a table. It's really cute and simple. Let me know what you guys think about this one. So we've created some really fun DIYs and found some hacks for our buttons. If you want to see some more inspiration, check out these videos next. And as always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!